Hello, good morning. Today I am going to describe the homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Such differential equation which can be reduced in the form of dy by dx is certain function of y by x, or dx by dy is certain function of x by y is a homogeneous differential equation. This type of differential equation, such differential equation which can be put in the form of dy by dx is a function of y by x, and dx by dy is certain function of x, dx by dy is certain function of y by x, is called a homogeneous differential equation. Is a homogeneous differential equation. For example, let us see one example, that is x square minus y square, x y dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square, or I can write it dy by dx is x square minus y square divided by x into y. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by x square, it will reduce to the form of 1 minus y by x whole square divided by y by x. So you can see that dy by dx is expressed in terms of y by x, so it is a function of y by x. So such differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation, and directly from here also we can understand that whether this is a homogeneous differential equation or not. We look into the number of terms. There are 3 terms, one here, second and third. Each term is of degree 2, this is of degree 2, this is of degree 2. Here x and y, both are of degree 1 and 1, since it is in the form of the product. In the case of the product, we used to add the degree, so it is of degree 2. So such differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Now I shall explain how to find the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. So let us consider this differential equation. We first reduce the differential equation. By making this substitution, we put y by x is equal to v, or y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. Therefore we have dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, differentiating both sides with respect to this function, right? Dy by dx is v, derivative of x is 1, plus x, derivative of v is dv by dx. So we substitute it here in this. We have g plus x dv by dx is equal to certain function of y by x. We see this equation can be reduced to the form. dv divided by f. This is v. Y by x is equal to v. So we have fv minus v is equal to dx divided by x, and thereafter we integrate it to get the solution. dv divided by fv minus v is equal to integral of dx divided by x. So from here it will be very clear that why this substitution is been made. This substitution has made the equation reduced in such a form where the variables can be separated easily, where the variables are separated here easily. So after separating the variables, we can integrate to get the solution. So this substitution y is equal to bx reduce this differential equation to such a form where the variables is separated easily, and after separating the variables we can integrate it easily. Let us take an example. Suppose we are given one example to find the solution of the equation xy dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square. So we write dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square divided by xy. Later on, dividing the numerator and denominator by x square, we reduce it in this form, and then we put here. Then we put, after reducing it in the form of certain function of y by x, dy by dx is reduced, certain function of y by x, we put y divided by x is equal to v, that is y is equal to vx. Therefore, we have dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. This substitution will be made here. The equation reduces to, you see this is dy by dx, that is v plus x dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square divided by v. 1 minus v square divided by v. And then I shall transfer this on this side, and then we separate the variable to integrate. Transfer it on this side, we have x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by v minus v. So this is 1 minus 2v square divided by v. Now simplifying it, we have dx divided by x is equal to v dv divided by 1 minus 2v square. Now I shall take them all on one side and then integrate. dx divided by x plus getting this on this side plus v dv divided by 2v square minus 1 is equal to 0. What is being done? It is transferred on the left hand side, so the minus sign will be there, and that minus is multiplied here in the denominator. Now therefore we have integral of dx divided by x plus integral of, you see here the derivative of denominator is 4v dv, so we multiply here by 4 and we divide here by 4. 4v dv divided by 2v square minus 1 is equal to 0. Or I can write its integral is log x. It is log x, and this is plus 1 by 4 log 2v square minus 1, 2v square minus 1, and plus a constant of integration, say right, log c is equal to log c. dx by x has its integration log x, its derivative is present in the numerator, so the integral of it will be log of the denominator, and since the two terms have come in form of the log, so log c is considered as the constant of integration. Now simplifying, the integration is already been performed, now we only simplify it. So we have 4 log x minus plus log 2b square minus 1 is equal to 4 log c. So we have x to the power 4 into 2b square minus 1 is equal to c to the power 4. Consider it to be a k, constant of integration. Constant of integration c to the power 4 as k. K it is supposed. So we write say here, and then we remove v by y divided by x, or we have x4 to y square divided by x square minus 1 is equal to k, and the solution reduces to the simplest form as we have x square 2y square minus x square is equal to k. So this is the solution of this differential equation. So this is how we can solve a homogeneous differential equation. Firstly, we reduce the equation in terms of certain function of y by x. Later on, we put y by x is equal to v, that is y is equal to vx. Therefore, dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. Getting that substituted in the differential equation, that will reduce to such a form from where the variables can be separated easily, and then we integrate, we get the solution of the differential equation. Thank you.